Welcome to my channel. Today we are sharing 5 best snorkel masks for adults. Our top pick products have overall good ratings, durability, good performance and warranty. Our experts researched 35 plus options, then purchased and tested the 5 best snorkel masks for adults and brought them through a series of rigorous hands-on tests. Check the link in the description box. So let's get started. Number 1. Greativer Snorkel Mask. The Greativer Snorkel Mask boasts a particularly smart design that removes the hassle of reinstalling the breathe tube ahead of each dive while additionally providing the option to mount an action camera with ease. However, those cool design features aren't the only reasons to love the full-face snorkel. A folding dry-top snorkel is ideal for heavy-handed users as it removes the threat of breaking the clips. Likewise, it prevents the all-too-familiar scenario of losing the most important part of the device while it's in storage. This makes the Greativer Snorkel Mask a particularly convenient and practical solution for regular and infrequent users alike, given that the purpose of snorkeling is to explore under the water. The fact that the snorkel mask boasts a design that avoids the fisheye lens view that's used by many competitors is a major selling point. This gives you a clear view of everything, not least thanks to the wide viewing screen. Better still, you'll be able to enjoy extended activities without fear of getting headaches. The tight water seal ensures safe and uninterrupted snorkeling for users of all ages. Meanwhile, the anti-fogging system makes life a lot easier as your breathing won't cloud the screen. It is also available in a range of colors including blue and red kid-friendly designs. While primarily designed for the sea, children may enjoy using this device in the pool too. Adjusting the straps to suit your personal preferences can be a little hassle once you're in the water, so it's worth doing this before you start. However, this is a small price to pay for a comfortable, safe mask, especially at the price. Number 2. The Zip-Out Snorkel Mask. If you are looking for a snorkel mask that gets the job done and is not going to cost you a fortune, we certainly recommend this product from Zip-Out. Not only does it have an attractive design, but it comes with a good selection of features as well. The anti-leakage properties of this mask will help to keep your face as dry as possible. We think it is especially suited to beginners who are getting to grips with snorkeling. You can expect a really great view with this mask. The 180-degree lens enables you to see around without experiencing any problems. Aside from this, it is an eco-friendly and non-toxic snorkeling mask. We were also impressed with the construction of it, posting medical-grade poo and silicone to make certain that you enjoy a much better experience without any allergy reactions. The covering is professional and unique, meaning there is not going to be any sort of leakage from any side of your mask. With this mask, we feel that you are going to get a natural and improved breathing process. There is also a camera mount as well, which most people are going to want when buying a snorkel mask. Plus, if that wasn't enough, despite being cost-efficient, you're going to get a better view when compared with a lot of the other masks out there. Number 3. Cressy Big Eyes Evolution. Cressy has created this snorkel mask with integrated dual-frame technology that combines 2 rigid frames to create a low-volume snorkel mask. This allows you to easily clear your mask while snorkeling. The Cressy Big Eyes Evolution Snorkel Mask is made of high-seal silicone that will create a firm seal between the mask and the face. The seal is leak-proof and provides a comfortable snorkeling experience while being worn. The patented Cressy lens shape provides a natural downward tilt in this model snorkel mask. This allows you to increase your downward visibility while wearing the mask, something that many other masks don't have to offer. This means you can see downward while keeping your face aimed forward, which means less head movement while snorkeling. The buckles are mounted on the side of the mask on an indestructible mechanism that will keep the silicone skirt of the mask protected while allowing the buckles to tilt and turn without breaking. This enables you to position the straps of the mask in the most comfortable and effective positioning without causing damage to the silicone skirt of the mask. Pros: low-volume snorkel mask for easy clearing, high-seal silicone for a leak-free and comfortable experience. The lens creates a downward viewpoint, which means less head movement. Easy and adjustable buckle system for perfect strap positioning. Cons: very limited peripheral vision. Number 4. SwimStar Snorkel Mask. This snorkel set by SwimStar is one of the best snorkel masks for women on the market today. There are many adjustable and customizable features of this snorkel mask to allow it to fit many different face sizes and shapes. The head straps are fully adjustable so that you can tighten the mask as much or as little as you need to. The high-grade silicone face skirt seals perfectly around the face and stays in place with the adjustable head straps. The lens of the mask is tempered glass and anti-fog. The tempered glass will provide a strong and durable lens surface. The lens has an anti-fog coating that will reduce the amount of fog that covers the lens. This will give you the clearest view possible through the large lens window. The skirt of the mask is liquid silicone, which makes it comfortable and leak-free. The skirt of the mask and the mouthpiece of the snorkel are both hypoallergenic, which will eliminate the risk of irritation when using the snorkel set. A dry snorkel is included in the snorkel set, which will reduce the chance of water unintentionally entering the snorkel tube. The dry snorkel has a valve that will seal to keep water from entering the snorkel tube and into the mouthpiece. Pros: great for women and faces of all shapes and sizes. Fully adjustable head straps. High-grade silicone face skirt for leak-free snorkeling. Anti-fog lens. Dry snorkel included. Cons: design is best intended for smaller faces and heads. Number 5. Divelux Snorkel Mask. Best full-face snorkel mask. Style meets chic and cool in this mask, with 180 degrees of view. That simply means you can see everything around you without any hindrance at all. You will also be able to breathe as naturally as when you are on dry land. Frankly, except for the stylish design, this mask really does not offer anything above what other masks offer, but it is cheap. Anyone can afford it. No sweating, no leaking, and the silicone band for fitting is friendly to the skin. With the nose and mouth section separate from the visor, there will be no fogging and so you can see clearly all the time. Because this is a dry snorkel mask, it has been built to keep all water out of the tube and the mask itself. Divelux means you can now dive up to 10 feet in luxury, breathing as comfortably as you would out of water. It is sold in different sizes like small, S, medium, M, large, L, and extra large, XL. You can buy with the confidence that if the snorkel mask does not meet your expectations within 30 days, you can return it for a full refund. Pros: unhindered wide view, breath through the mouth and nose easily, keeps your face totally dry, good for beginner snorkelers. Durable, visor and other parts are made to last. 30-day return policy for refund or replacement. Cons: not good for free diving. Warranty too short. If you liked this video, please give a subscribe and press the bell button for latest update. Product link mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching.